Collision Mitigation System, Detection Scenarios Vehicle. For system to detect the rear end of preceding vehicles, the vehicle driving speed must be at least 10 km per hour. Notice. Level 1 warning. The driver is alerted to the risk of an imminent collision by first level of visual and audible warning. Level 2 warning. If the driver does not take action, or the driver braking force is not enough to mitigate collision, system issues the second level of visual and audible warning and applies partial braking. Level 3 warning. After second level warning, if the driver does not take action, or driver braking force is not enough, and risk of a collision is imminent, the system applies harder braking, along with third level of visual and audible warning. Warning.